Introducing ProNest nesting software. CAD/CAM programming for advanced mechanized cutting, including plasma, laser, water jet, and oxyfuel. Also offering ProNest LT or LTS feature sets for light industrial cuts. ProNest is easy to learn, with an intuitive interface, translated into 17 languages. 2D CAD is also included, and a variable shape part library. Start with CAD import and automatic CAD layer mapping. Bill of materials data is included, and automatic CAD error notification. ProNest also offers Hypertherm SureCut technology, with cutting knowledge applied directly to the job. Part leads, kerf, and feed rate are applied automatically. And ProNest is the only software with full support for True-Hole, Rapid Part, and True Bevel technology. Features may include quick manual nesting, click and drag to array, automatic nest sequencing, intelligent automatic nesting, common line cutting, 3D CAD import, plus ERP/MRP integration, plate inventory, work order processing, costing and material utilization, management reports, and output of numeric code to virtually any machine brand or model. All fully backed by Hypertherm's global network of support specialists.